so glad you've come to our lesson today. We are going to do some fun math. Are you ready to do some maths? All right. We are going to start with 9 plus 6. Do you see it?
Yeah.
9 plus 6. Now, I wish this was a 10. I wish it was a 10. Oh, I wish it was a 10, because 10 is my favorite number. Is it your favorite number too?
Yes.
Yes. And if it was a 10, I would know that 10 plus 6, I would kind of know that already. Do you know what 10 plus 6 is?
10 plus 6 is 16.
That's right. So I wish this was a 10. Can I just pretend it's a 10 and be like making stuff up? No. I wonder what I could do. What would I need to make this a 10?
A 1.
A 1. I would need a 1. Can I just take 1 from the bank and just add it to what I had before?
No.
No, because that would be something different. That would be 9 plus 1 plus 6. But what if I do this? I had an idea. What if I break it apart? If I have 6 and I break one off from it, what would I have left?
5. 4.
You think it's a 4 or a 5? Let's see.
Now I think 5.
Okay, I think Nasiah Rose was right. It's a 5, but it's worth checking. Let's see. Does it fit?
Is it too long?
Ta-da! Everyone say ta-da!
Ta-da!
Okay, so you found something. You figured something out. You know that 5 plus 1 is 6.
Yeah.
A 6 is made out of a 1 and a what?
A 5.
A 1 and a 5. All right. Abigail, this time will you break it apart for me? Make sure you keep it on the rug. And then clean up what you broke. That's one way to break it up. Okay.
Be gentle.
Now, Nasiah Rose, can you remind me, why did we want to get this one in the first place?
Because it will make us a 10.
Can you do it? Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. So the 9 plus 1 made a 10. And then we added our 5. What is 10 plus 5?
15.
Oh, wow. You guys know that really well.
Oh,
Okay. Let's do another one. Can you put that away? And can you get out 8 plus 7?
I'll get the 8.
You get the 7?
I get the 7.
Great. So we have 8 plus 7.
Yeah.
Great. Put it down. Man, I wish this was a 10.
So do I.
Can I just pretend?
No.
No, I can't pretend. I'm going to make it real. What would I need to make this a 10?
A 2.
A 2. Okay, let's break it apart and let's break a 2 off of this 7. If I broke a 2 off of this 7, what would be left? What would fit right there?
Maybe a 6?
No. You can try it, but it's not a 6.
Maybe a 5.
It needs to be less than a 6, doesn't it?
A 5.
Let's see. I mean, what makes you think it's a 5?
Because last one was 5. It is a 5.
It is a 5. 5 plus 2. What's 5 plus 2?
7.
5 plus 2 is 7. Nasiah Rose, you get to break it apart. Break it apart. And clean up what you broke. Now, you broke this apart. Now, what are we going to do with this 8 and this 2?
We're going to put the 2 together, then put the 8. So it's 16. It's 15 again.
Oh, 15 again? That's funny. I didn't even plan it. When we put 8 and 2 together, what did we get?
10.
Everybody says, no. And now we have 10 plus 5. What's 10 plus 5?
15.
You do know it. 15. Great.
I forgot for a
Okay, awesome.
second. Me too.
Can you make a 7 and can you get out a 5?
Okay. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork makes the dream work. All right, 7 and 5. Ooh, I wish this was a 10.
So do I. I think we
How
need
can I
a
make
3.
that? Can I give and take a little bit? Can you guys go give and take? Can I be flexible?
Yes.
Can I get 3 out of this one?
Yes.
Let's see, Nasiah Rose, can you help me figure it out? If I broke this 5 up into a 3 and something, what would I put there?
2.
Ooh.
I knew it.
You knew it? Cool. So,
Oh no! I'm breaking it apart.
she's not even meaning to. It's hard when they get small like that. Okay, so we see here that 3 and 2 go together to make a 5. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Abigail, will you break it apart like this so they can see you break it apart? Keep it on the rug. Okay, and clean up what you broke. Now, what are we going to do with this to make something beautiful? Look what she did.
It's
7 and...
12.
Wait, what's 7 and 3, though?
10.
10. Everybody says... La. And then we added our 2, made a 12. You guys are so good at this. You are even saying it before I'm ready for you to say it. That's so cool. All right, now I'm going to show you another fun way. We can't really call it a game.
Okay.
It's a sophisticated work to challenge your mathematical fluency. Okay?
I'm not trying to say more.
So don't say it's a game.
I'm not.
Okay.
I almost said that I'm not going to call it a work. You know
This
it is.
type of, thank you, work is not a game.
Nope.
Okay?
Okay.
And neither is that. I'm just teasing. Okay.
It can be a game.
What? Well, I think we're gonna call it a work.
Yeah. Because we're
But
at
you
school.
and I know that we really have a lot of fun with it, right? Okay.
So it's kind of like a game.
It's kind of like a game.
Don't say that on camera.
Okay. We can have fun with our work. That's great, isn't it?
Yes.
How many reds do I have, guys? Can you see it?
8.
8. And how many yellows do I have?
5.
5. Ooh, doesn't it just make you want to go and make this a 10? Okay, wait. I think it's Messiah Rose's turn. Can you go and make it a 10?
Yeah, because I broke it off.
No. Now look what we've got. We've got a 10.
And now we changed it to a red.
I'm going to leave it yellow for a second. She broke that 5 up, and now she broke it into a 2 and a 3. So she broke that 5 up into a 2 and a 3, right? And we're going to put this 8 and 2 together to make a 10. And then what do we have left over here? 3. 3. So what is 10 plus 3? Do you guys remember that? 13. So what is 8 plus 5?
13.
You think it's the same? Are you sure? Are you sure you're sure?
I am positively, I think, sure.
Okay.
What?
Positively, I think sure. Okay, I'm not going to, okay, watch my fingers. I'm not going to take away anything or add anything. We have this same number of counters. Ready? I'm just going to move them. So I have 10 and 3. That's 13. I just moved them back. I had 8 and 5. What do you think it's going to be?
13.
Do you think it's going to be 13?
Yes.
Okay, let's double check. We know that this is 8, right? Do I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or do I already know it's 8?
It's 8.
It's all right. I know it's 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have 8, and then I'm going to count on from there to make sure, because she said she's absolutely thinks she's sure. Okay, let's put 8 in her head and then count these on. You're not blinking? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13.
You're right.
And I did it with my eyes closed.
Well, I don't want you to do it with your eyes closed. I want you to do it with your eyes open
Like,
so that
no
your brain
one
is on. Okay, I'm going to do another one. Are you ready?
But it is.
Of course. Of course. Love your positive attitude.
Because every time we do a lesson, you say positive
I do say positive attitude is so important.
With journal and a pencil.
I'm trying to have a positive attitude myself. Okay, so here is a...
Do this. 7.
Oh, I almost told you the answer. I'm not supposed to tell you the answer. How many red ones do I have?
7.
How did you know?
Because
How did you know that was a 7?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, so it's an important number to you?
Yes.
So did you see, just tell me how did your brain work? Did you know that this was a 5 right here on this row? And then you put 2 more? So you knew that 5 plus 2 more was 7 in your head?
I always know that this is a 7.
How?
Because I know that that is a 5 and that is a 2.
Good. That's what I was wondering. You know that's a 5, right? So when I say give me 5, you know that's a 5 in your hand. Wait, give me 5 again. Give me 5 again, really. Like, okay. So when I said give me 5, you didn't have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you already knew that you had 5 on your hand, right? So I want you to memorize that just like you do, that this is a 5 right here. Okay? And then you have 2 more. You have already memorized 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. Doesn't it just make you want... Oh, wait. How many yellows do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, we only have 4 yellows, okay? Because we have 1 missing. If we had a full row, we'd have 5. But I can say, give me 4. Just 4. Thank you. Now, this missing part right here is kind of making me want to go... Yeah, it's kind of making me want to go and make a 10. Do you think we can handle it?
Making me want to go.
How many more would we need to fit with this 7 to make a 10?
3.
3. Okay, and Miss Rose's turn.
Okay. Didn't you do it last time though? Yes, you did. I did.
Okay, sorry. Thank you for being so gracious.
Are you laughing?
Yes, you can just slide them up there. There we go. All right. Look what beautiful thing you've made.
11.
So 10 plus 1 more.
It's 11.
Oh my goodness. We broke that 4 up into a 3 and a 1. And we put 3 with the 7 to make a 10. And then we have 1 more. 10 plus 1 more is 11. So then, if you know that 10 plus 1 more is 11, do you also know what 7 plus 4 is? Do you absolutely think you know?
I absolutely know.
You absolutely know now. What do you think 7 plus 4 is?
11.
Woohoo! Awesome. Way to go, girls. So proud of you. Okay, give me 7.
Okay.
Give me 7. Give me 4. Give me 4.
My sister is.
So how many did you just give me?
4.
7 and 4. How many did you just give me?
11.
11. Awesome. Thank you so much, you guys.